TH-BJD is a non-yellowing and wear-resistant tough material specially designed for BJD. We strongly recommend that you patiently watch this video before using this material for the first time. Add supports. Set the tip upper diameter of the support contact points as thick as possible. If you are printing heavy models, such as BJDs or larger-sized models, we recommend selecting sufficiently thick support structures based on the actual weight and size of the model to ensure stability. The following issues are all caused by improper support settings: deformation, layer separation, detachment from the supports. Printing settings. Open your browser and visit Resin.com. Find support on the Resin homepage and go to the settings page. Depending on the slicer and printer you use, download the appropriate print settings. Open the slicer, add and select the printer. Import the corresponding resin settings. Choose the resin you use. TH-BJD resin has a high viscosity. If printing fails when using the recommended settings, or if the ambient temperature is below 25 degrees Celsius, it is necessary to appropriately extend the light-off delay, rest time after retract, and adjust the appropriate lifting distance during the printing process to ensure the stability of the printing effect. If you want the surface of the print to be finer and smoother with clearer details, we recommend setting the layer height to 0.03 millimeters. Post-processing, remove the supports first, then clean. At this stage, the printed model is relatively soft, leaving no damages to the surface of the print. The cleaning and soaking time should not exceed 5 minutes. Since uncured prints are prone to corrosion by cleaning agents, the soaking time should not be too long. If the resin is difficult to clean during the washing process, it is usually due to improper print parameter settings. We recommend making appropriate adjustments to the exposure time for normal layers. Extend the rest time after retract, light off delay, and increase the lifting distance. Dry promptly. We recommended to use compressed air or a high-speed blow dryer to dry the prints. Ensure the surface is completely dry and free of any remaining cleaning agent or resin. Post-curing, taking the Anycubic Wash Plus curing station as an example, we recommended to cure both the front and back of the prints for 10 minutes each. If the print turns yellow during the post-curing process, you can place the print and let it sit for 48 to 96 hours to gradually fade the yellowing. When printing articulated models, it is recommended to focus on curing the joint areas during the post-curing stage to ensure the joints do not produce powder due to friction. If the print is assembled immediately after post-curing, the joints may produce powder due to friction or even crack. We suggest waiting for several hours after post-curing before assembling the printed parts. Especially important to note for hollow structured prints is the need to ensure that the interior is thoroughly cleaned, dried, and fully cured. Above are the usage instructions for this material. If you need a detailed instruction manual, please contact us to obtain the document. Thank you for watching.